Good morning children, welcome to our 4th class social. Now we have to learn about that public institutions. In that before lesson we have to learn about that, which lesson you know? Yes, directions and maps. Which one? Directions and maps. Directions, 4 types of directions: north, east, west, south. 4 corners: northeast corner, southwest corner. Yes or no? And that southeast, south, east, south, north, southwest, northwest, northeast. These are the 4 corners. And directions, we have to introduce that directions in the map. We have to inform that pictures. Some temples are there, we have to inform the temple picture. And railway track means railway station means railway track. And that oceans are there, we have to indicate with the colors like blue. And vegetations and plains we have to indicate with colors green. These types of we have to indicate the directions and the maps. And that we have to know our mandal district mandal level map, our village map and district level maps we have to know. And we have to state wise map also there. In our states, how many districts are there? Do you know that? 33 districts. In Andhra Pradesh, how many districts have? 13 districts have. We have to know about the districts maps. Up to here, before we have to last lesson we have to learn about this, about the maps and directions. Now we have to go into the about that public institutions. What is the meaning of public? Public means those who are living in the surrounding areas, the social, they have to live one place areas, they are called public or people. Institutions అంటే పీపుల్స్కి కావలసిన సదుపాయాలు ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ లైక్ బ్యాంకు, sanitary, drainage system, roadways, CC roads and street light systems. And that generally we have the main things: banks, markets, anganwadis, schools. These are that called examples of public institutions. Just you, I will show one text, I will show this before going to lesson. I will show one picture. See, look here. See, observe this picture. What is there? This picture is there total full of water. Totally the area was totally filled with the water. What happens, do you think? In that we have to think so many water, rainwater filled with the areas totally. The houses and vehicles and animals, all things are, they have to get wet because of full filled water. That is called floods are coming. Flood season, the area is totally filled with the water. See, in this one sum is there. Animals and plants feel happy with the too much water around. Many trees get uprooted during floods. Many animals may lose their leaves. Flood waters fill up with the roads and houses. It becomes difficult to communicate using means of transport. Yes, floods water fill up with the roads and houses. It becomes difficult to communicate using means of transports. People like to swim in flood waters. It is fun. It's fun. Electricity poles and get damaged and power cut can happen in places hit by the floods. Yes, so many water filled with the area totally because of floods are came. So many rainy water filled with the drainage, overflow the drainage. Is there animals and plants are unhappy because of it, they have to suffering from too much water in their areas. How can they sustain? How can they do their daily activities? They can't, no? They have to do their daily activities means they have to have same perfect situations. How can they do their daily activities? It is not. They are not happy. Many animals drawn to lose their lives. చాలా ఎనిమల్స్ చనిపోయినాయి వాటర్లో మునిగి. అండ్ మెనీ ట్రీస్ గెట్ అప్రూటెడ్ డ్యూరింగ్ ద ఫ్లోడ్స్. చాలా చెట్లు కూడా వాటర్ ఫోర్స్కి రూట్లు వేర్ల నుంచి పడిపోయినాయి. సో మెనీ మెంబర్స్ disappeared in the flood water. వాటర్లో మునిగి ఎక్కడికో కొట్టుకొని పోయిండ్రు. అండ్ సో మెనీ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ పోల్స్ ఆల్సో డ్యామేజ్డ్. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దట్ it's getting wet water will get shock, current shock. Then the electricity members remove the electricity. These about that we are avoid these situations means we can inform the those who are appointed for that, we can inform them. Let us learn about the what public institutions, what Gram Panchayat, its instructions and functions. Learn about the different public institutions in mandal level and village level, and find out about the right to information act in 2005. Such as we have to learn in this lesson these all. Now the public facilities such as street lights, access to drinking water, cleanliness and maintenance of roads, streets require continuous care and upkeep. The Gram Panchayat of a village look after all these responsibilities. Yes, in a village who will look after that? That Gram Panchayat will look after that. Who is that head of the Gram Panchayat? The Sarpanch is the first person and head of the village. Every village we have to elected one Sarpanch. That is he is look after that village facilities like cleanliness, drainage system, CC road system, street light system, and also educational purpose, one school, primary and high schools, and health care center, primary health care centers, Anganwadi schools, and post office, banks, etc. These are called public institutions. In the village level, the Gram Panchayat head of the person, Sarpanch will look after, and ward members are look after what the instructions are giving Gram Panchayat, Sarpanch and Karyadarshi, and who are there in that village Gram Panchayat officers look after that public institutions going in right way. If any have any problems they are facing in the people of village, they came to in notice to the Gram Panchayat. They want to do what is the facility they would need. They can return the letter. They have to submit in the Gram Panchayat office. These about that. These problems will look after the Sarpanch and ward members who are there in that Gram Panchayat officers. And that the Sarpanch of the head of the Gram Panchayat, apart from the Gram Panchayat, other public institutions and that take care of public facilities. And their needs what are that Anganwadi centers, schools, post office, veterinary hospitals, healthcare center, bank, as soon as. Yes, veterinaries means animals need treated office. Primary health center means we have to go to government hospital. Anganwadi center, small babies are those who are going to school, that baby care center, that is called Anganwadis. That street lights and schools, that ZP, that is upper primary high school or primary high school, that village level. They have to look after. Who will look after that? Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat and Sarpanch and ward members and Gram Panchayat officers will look after these facilities. See, in public institutions, Gram Panchayat office undertakes the supervisors work such as cleaning of roads. Yes, in our surrounding we have to see in our before the home road cleaning, the sweepers are coming from that municipality or Gram Panchayat. Workers are coming to sweeping that waste materials and dried leaves, what are that, they have to clean. And drains, clean the drains. The workers of Gram Panchayat workers are cleaning the drains. Drains means drainage system. Supplying of clean drinking water. Yes, supplying day by day, daily one time they have to supply the daily drinking water. They will look after. And maintaining street lights and so on. Maintaining street lights. Yes, every street they have to put street lights, and they have to maintain the street lights daily. In the evening and the morning they have to switch off. Evening they can switch on. That who will look after? The Gram Panchayati members and workers will look after the maintenance of street lights and cleaning the roads and clean the drains, they will look after. Look at the list of the workers done by the Gram Panchayat office. Yes, I will show some picture. They have to do that, the list. Just you observe the picture first of all. See, observe the picture in Gram Panchayat officer. They are discussing in the village what are the problems are facing in that village. They have to do one Gram Sabha and they held it in the 15 days or whatever that problems are going on. They have to meet and the one day and they are discuss about the facilities they have to required. What are the cleaning less, what are the increasing, what are the disadvantages, what are the advantages, they have to discuss in the Gram Panchayat office in the Gram Panchayat meeting. Just we have to list out that words done by the Gram Panchayat office. Just we have to look here. See. Who is that recording crop details, collecting house taxes, providing street lights, maintenance of land records, registration of birth and deaths, responsible for work related to revenue and responsible for that work related to Mandal Praja Parishad, collection of water charges, distribution of letters, school maintenance, cleaning the drains, vaccination and medication. These are that. About the recording the crops. What is that recording the crops? In that village, how many acres are cultivation in that village? Which type of crops are they have to producing? What are the types of food grains, cash crops, food crops, and other fiber crops? What are the list they have to maintain the record? Who are that Gram Panchayat? Collecting the house tax. Yes, how many in the village, how many houses are there? 300, 400. What are the tax are there? They have to maintain the record. Providing street lights. Providing every street they have to mention the street lights. 2. Registration births and deaths. How many newborn babies are there? The Gram Panchayat will give the birth certificate. Those who are died in this monthly wise, they have to enter and remove the deaths names. And responsible for work related revenue. What is the responsibility are there in the revenue? They have to do the properly works. And responsible for the work related Mandal Praja Parishad. What are the works are giving from the Mandal Praja Parishad? They have to do in Gram Panchayat level. Collection of water charges. Yes, we have to supply, we have to sending drinking water. No, that every house we have to put some charges, and every month or 6 months we have to collect the charges from the houses. And the distribution of letters. Yes, in our post office, how many letters are there? The postman and head postmaster is there, and with the postmaster we have to send the letters. What are the posts are coming from the village? And the school, what is the government school, the maintenance, and the cleaning the drains. Every day by day we should send to the workers to clean the drains and maintenance. And vaccination and medication. Newborn babies are 10 years below, 10 years above. Children are how many vaccines are there? We have to give the times in time to the children's and vaccination and medication. What are the how can we live? What are the problems we are facing? How can we live? We have to give in the by the healthcare center. We have to establish and we have to inform to the people. In case of any problems, people can also approach to Me Seva centers, other officers of Me Seva centers, helping people in solving their problems. These officers can be help of them. Which officers? Mandal Revenue Officer, Tahsildar or District Civil Supply Officer. If in these times they have to more problems, they can collect these Revenue Officer, Mandal Revenue Officer or Tahsildar or District Civil Supply Officers. They have to give in to the complaint to them. Okay na children, after here we have to finish our lesson. Okay, you should buy the textbooks compulsory, otherwise you not understand the lessons. As well as up to here you should complete application book. We are not giving answers. You should buy the textbooks, read the lessons, write the answers. If you have not getting on that time any question, you can send me WhatsApp group the question name. We can inform to you in the video session. Thank you.